Lavender Brown was a regular presence throughout the franchise's books, but the movies consistently failed her character. Lavender was one of the often seen background Gryffindors as both Hermione's roommate and Ron's girlfriend throughout Half-Blood Prince. Though she was commonly portrayed as a girl always consumed with her latest crush, she was also a member of Dumbledore's army and a friend of several of the lesser-known Gryffindors. However, the movie cut her part significantly, left her fate uncertain, and mired her in a casting controversy. Lavender Brown appeared only in small or non-speaking roles throughout the first movies, where she was played by Kathleen Colley and Jennifer Smith. For a large role in Harry Potter Half-Blood Prince, Jessie Cave was recast as Lavender. Lavender's parts in the earlier films were largely ignored. Other characters like Crabbe were left out the Harry Potter movies for behind-the-scenes reasons, but Lavender was simply cut for time. In the books, she maintained a regular presence as a fellow student and Hermione's roommate, but she does not come into play in the movies until she becomes Ron's girlfriend. The recasting was a point of contention with fans, as the film recast Smith, a black actress, with white actress Jessie Cave for Lavender's most prominent story. Colley, another black actress, occupied the role before Smith, so Cave's casting broke an established pattern of casting Lavenders as black. This decision is often cited as an example of the film industry's tendency to relegate actors of colors to lesser roles. As Smith was not allowed to continue in her part once Lavender had a lot of screen time, the filmmaker sacrificed any consistency for Lavender's character to recast her as white. Although many of the characters met violent ends in the final movie, and others such as Arthur Weasley narrowly avoided their planned deaths, Lavender Brown's fate is left entirely uncertain. The book mentioned her as feebly stirring during the Battle of the Hogwarts when Hermione knocked the approaching werewolf Greyback away from her, indicating she was still alive at the point. In the movies, Greyback had already attacked her when Hermione knocked him away, and Lavender showed no sign of life. Pottermore long listed her as presumed death. With no further information, the main trio had known Lavender for years, even as a fellow member of Dumbledore's army and Ron's love interest, so it was a significant slight to her character that her ultimate fate is never mentioned. Lavender Brown was consistently ignored in the movies, even at her presumed death. She is far from the only character who got unfair treatment in the films, such as all the Slytherins who were painted as one-dimensionally evil. But she is a notable example of the character who could have been much more. Harry Potter falls short on its portrayals of a number of characters, and Lavender Brown was one of the unfortunate Hogwarts students that the story left behind. So thanks a lot for watching Potterless. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and what's your thoughts about Lavender Brown's role in the Harry Potter movie? Be sure to comment below, and in my perception, she really deserved more. So what's your thoughts about it? Be sure to comment below. And before ending this video, if you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and also you can follow me on Instagram to see Harry Potter memes. All links in the description. And now I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care and goodbye, and stay away from the muggles.